So in today's video, we will see how we will be taking multiple inputs. Okay, so multiple inputs together using scanf function. So maybe in the previous example, I showed you like how we will be taking a single input, right? At a time, you are taking character input, or maybe like at a time, like we'll be taking individual, okay, integer or floating point, double input separately, right? So here, I just like we don't want to like too many lines. Okay, if you want to take multiple input. So in short, we can use scanf function to take multiple inputs together, right? So you can see one example which is written. All right. So here I'm just declaring some variables. Okay. In line number 12, we can see I'm just declaring some variable. Okay. So M1 to M6. So 6 integer variables I declared here. All right. And then I declared a float total. Okay. Then float percent. If you want marks also, you can keep it floating point numbers. Okay. All right. So basically M1 to M6 I am holding means that variables I am using to hold the marks of 6 subjects of a student. All right. Yeah. So then after that you can see I'm just I already told you like in the last session. So if you want to use a scanner, first of all we have to give a hint for the like user, right? What exactly they would like to enter. Okay. So we can write the like printf function. We will be writing enter the 6 subject marks. So users are very clear what they are supposed to enter. Okay, so they will be entering 6 subject marks. It's better to give space after each marks. Okay. All right. So then we will be taking multiple inputs. That means all inputs together we are taking. That means 6 integer. Okay. So 6 integer input together we are taking using a single scanner function. Very simple. Okay. So I have 6 integers. So I'll be using this format specifier %d since it's integer. I'm writing that 6 times. Okay. Then comma. Then after that, I'll be using each and every variable. Okay, so first if it is reading something, first if I'm getting an integer data, it means to say that data will get stored in M1. Okay, so I written in the same order. So like depend on the order in which I'm getting the marks, I'll be storing that in the respective mark variable. Okay, so I don't have any other choice. This is only way which I need. Okay, so in that order only I'm just writing the variables. All right. Then I'm using an additional printf statement. That additional printf statement, just I want to show you that these are the marks which I entered. Okay, so printf, and I think this all clear about the syntax and all. It's very simple. Okay, so the all marks will be like displayed in a single line. That's it. All right. So maybe then in the line number 23, you can see I'm just doing an arithmetic operation. Okay, so what is this arithmetic operation? I would like to get the total marks of the student. Total marks of the student I can get just by adding all the individual marks, right? So M1 plus M2 plus like till M6 I have done. That's it. Okay, so that's a total variable. Total variable is a floating type variable where I'm going to store only the integer data. That's it. Okay. Then after that, you can see the next line. I'm just going to calculate the percent. Percent is also a floating point variable. Nothing like difficult over there. So there, I'm just finding the percent. Okay, so like the total marks divided by 6. Okay, so instead of writing all the marks again and again, we already calculate the total. So I can replace this part with the total variable. Okay. So total divided by 6. Total I already calculated here. That's it. So the percent I am getting. So into like 100. Okay. So multiply by 100 or whatever you like, you can do. All right. So then I am just displaying the score is so and so. Okay. So total score is total variable. Percentage is percent. Okay. I'm using this 0.3 LF since it's floating point number. Okay. So I'm just using F. F is enough. LF is not required. LF is for double. Okay. So 0.3 F. That's fine. Okay. If you want, you can. If you want to make it double, of course you can. Right. Then again, I'm just using this get char. Yesterday I showed you already why we are using. That means in the previous session we have covered it already. Like why we are using this get char. Right. What's the purpose? Okay, so I would like to like keep the screen. Okay, so the screen will be hang till when I am pressing the like enter key. Okay, so then only it will go to the new line. So till the time the screen will be visible. Okay, so just to get or maybe just I want to hang the screen for some time. I want to read it. All right. So now let's see. Yeah, now you can see I'm just like running this project. I don't have any error. So it's asking me in the console, it's asking enter 6 subject marks. Okay, so I'm just entering 67, 78, 56. Some random marks I'm just entering. All right. So there is a like error here. 78. Okay, so this next one. All right, so I'm just making, that's it. Okay, so 6 subject marks I entered. I'm just pressing the enter key. So it is displaying that the marks are so and so, and the total score is something 447. Okay, that's a good score. All right, and the percentage I am getting 74.500 because I used already zero point 0.3. Okay, so after a decimal point, I am getting 3 places. All right, well, okay. So I could have used a new line character before this your total score. Okay, so then I could have used a new line character before the percentage. Okay, something. I'm just correcting that. That's it. Okay, so I think this program is very clear. So try to implement this logic. Okay, so here onwards we will be like doing more example with scanf function. Of course, we will be using in every program. If you want to get some user input, then after that we will be like doing some arithmetic operation. So here the arithmetic operation, that is nothing new. Okay, so I thought like everybody will be clear about it. Okay, so you can do it. Okay, or maybe some other complicated operators are there, binary and unary operators. Nothing complicated, but maybe if you are not familiar with it, we are actually about to discuss the different operators in the coming session. All right. So I hope this example is clear. Okay, all please practice. I am also just doing the corrections here. Okay, I just want to make the new line characters. Yeah, now you can see I just added the new line characters here. Okay, so here I'm just displaying the percentage in point 2 of after decimal point I need 2 places. Then I just added the percentage symbol. So it will be showing 75.00 percentage or whatever it is. Okay. So it's just giving like better readability for the program. That's it. Always like all try to do these things. Okay, like in every project make it very perfect. Okay, so at least try to like implement what all concept you're already aware, where you want new line character. Okay, so the precision, everything, please take care, right? All right, then thank you all. We will meet in the coming session and we'll start about the operators. Okay, yeah, till then, bye bye, take care.